Sony Xperia 10 Plus unlocked smartphone, US warranty renewed. 1 to 6. 5 inches 21 to 9 wide display Full HD Plus, designed to fit in your hand comfortably. With Corning Gorilla Glass 5. 12MP and 8MP dual camera system, with 2x optical zoom, 21 to 9 recording and booked effect. 2. The volume up and down are located next to each other. The device is Verizon CDMA-less certified and works with Verizon. Once properly set up, users can text in and out. 3. Take every track closer to the original recording with high-res audio and DSEEHX. 4. With a high 3000 mAh capacity, and Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, the Xperia 10 Plus gives you power you can rely on. 5. Single SIM, unlocked and compatible with carriers such as Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, Straight Talk, Metro PCs, Cricket Wireless, Simple Mobile, and others. Amazon Renewed is your trusted destination for pre-owned and refurbished products that are inspected and tested to work and look like new. A Renewed supplier who is Amazon qualified and performance managed, performs a full diagnostic test, replaces any defective parts, and thoroughly cleans the product. The products will have minimal to no signs of wear, no visible cosmetic imperfections when held 12 inches away, and may arrive in a brown or white box with relevant accessories that may be generic. This product is backed by the Amazon Renewed guarantee. Your product is eligible for a replacement or refund within 90 days of receipt if it does not work as expected. Get quick support for claims and free troubleshooting via a single point of contact at Amazon. The guarantee is in conjunction with Amazon's standard return policy.